Hey English learner, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I will teach you some English grammar rules in which I will be giving you two sentences. In each set, what if these sentences might look similar to you but actually are very different? So let's get started. John might blank tomorrow. Come, came, coming. What's the right answer? Here the key word in this sentence is might. And might is a modal verb. Modal verbs like might, must, can, takes the first form of verb. Come is first form, came is second form, coming is ing form of verb. So might takes first form of verb, so the correct answer here is come. John might come tomorrow. She might be blank tomorrow. Come, came, coming. First form, second form and ing form of verb. What's the difference between the two sentences here? We have got be now. The rule is that might plus be takes ing form of verb. You have to remember this. Any modal verb plus be takes the first form of verb. First form of verb plus ing. So the right answer here is coming. She might be coming tomorrow. Next, they have blanked the project. Complete, completed, completing. Complete is first form of verb. Completed is second form of verb or third form also. Completing is ing form of verb. So here the keyword is have. And the rule says that has, have, had, takes third form of verb. Have takes third form. They have completed the project. Now you have to remember this when you see completed alone in the sentence. Use second form of verb. But completed along with have takes third form of verb. Write it down. Have completed always takes third form of verb. Therefore, the right answer here is have completed. Next, they have been blank the project. Complete, completed, completing. Complete, as you know, complete is first form, complete is second or third form, and completing is first form plus ing. Here the keyword is have been. And we have got a been here. The rule says that have plus been, have plus been takes the ing form of verb. This rule applies to has as well as had. Like has been, have been, had been takes ing form of verb. So the right answer here is completing. I hope you like this video. Please guys do subscribe and thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment.